Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Anucreativeartclasses. Friends, today I teach you how to make beautiful stick puppets with the help of sheets and colors. Let's start friends. Firstly, I explain you about material which we require to make stick puppet. Some pastel sheets, sketch pens, scissor, some ice cream sticks and Fevicol. Let's start to make stick puppet. I draw a boy face. You draw any kind of shape which you want to make stick puppet. I draw here a boy face. Now I do outlining with black sketch pen. Now fill it with black sketch pen. This is boy's hair. Now skin color. This is a boy face. Now I make one girl face also here. Our boy and girl face is prepared. Now I cut it with help of scissor. I cut two shapes, one triangle and one rectangle to make girl dress and boy dress. Now I make some flowers here and boy shirt orange color and here dark blue color. Now I stick it with Fevicol. I pasted with it Fevicol. I already prepared some birds and animals. Also one teddy bear. You draw any kind of shape to make your stick puppet. I take one circle to make teddy bear face and small circle to make teddy bear mouth and small two circles to make teddy bear ears. Same pattern here. I take one big circle for rabbit body, small circle for rabbit face and I draw eyes and nose and mouth with help of sketch pen. After that I join all these circles with help of Fevicol. Here this is a bird. I take one big circle here, small circle and two leaf shape. Now it's time to paste it on sticks. I take one stick, with the help of Fevicol we paste here. I paste all images on sticks. You make different types, shapes, and paste these shapes on sticks. This is very easy. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share my video and press bell icon to watch more new videos. Thank you for watching my video.